Hello YouTube, welcome back to Custom Builds. Today we will be building a gaming PC for the budget of 1.3 lakhs. Before we continue, please like, share and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Let's come back to the video. For the processor, we are using a Ryzen 9 3900X which has 12 cores and 24 threads. Plenty enough for all our gaming and streaming and editing tasks. It's a very good chip. For the motherboard, we will be using MSI's B450 Tomahawk Max 2 motherboard. It's a very decent board for the price range of around 11,000 rupees. It's an excellent motherboard when it comes to power delivery. It can even power a Ryzen 9 3950X without any struggle. And it also supports Ryzen 5000 series processors. For the boot drive, we are using XPG's 512GB S5 NVMe M.2 SSD. It's a decent drive and it's more than sufficient to store our applications and games. Now let's put the processor inside the socket and also put the backplate of the cooler. Gently insert the processor and close on the retention arm. Now let's install the SSD. After this is done, we'll be installing 32GB of RAM, 16 into 2, 32GB in total, 3200 MHz CL16, a very good speed and good latency RAM, and it's also running in dual channel, so it won't bottleneck our 3060. Now the motherboard is fully assembled. So for the graphics card, we'll be using a RTX 3060 from Zotac, 12GB white variant, and it's a double slot cooler with dual fan, and it runs very cool and quiet. When it comes to the cabinet, we'll be using Deepcool Mattrix 55 V3 glass version, which has 3 RGB fans in the front. When it comes to the power supply, we'll be using 650 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular power supply. It's more than sufficient to power a Ryzen 9 and the 3060. It has 5 years of warranty. It's a decent power supply to build in. Now let's put the motherboard inside the cabinet and the cooler properly mounted to the cabinet, and we'll install our graphics card.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So the PC is built. If you like the content, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. It helps us a lot. If you want us to build a similarly kind of computer or any custom build desktops, you can contact us at 9739942917. You can check the link in the description. It directly goes to our website, and from there you can find our location as well. So for now, bye. See you once again in the next video.